Hi guys.
Hi.
Welcome to RoysTheWanderers. Guess what? Where we are seated? We are sitting in the Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose International Airport. It's almost 2 years. The last time we boarded a flight, I think we went to Thailand, right?
Thailand, Krabi.
That was the last time we boarded a flight, and that's before COVID. After COVID, we didn't get a chance to board a flight. We are traveling today to the largest state of India, that's Rajasthan. We are going to Jaipur from here. We are going by Indigo Airlines. There's been a lot of planning what we have done for the last few months. However, things doesn't work out as we planned. There will be last minute changes, and we have been changing our itinerary. Till yesterday we were changing our itinerary.
Till yesterday we were changing our itinerary.
We were changing the hotels. We were thinking, okay, let's book another hotel, and we were doing all this stuff till yesterday. As you all guys know that the starting of the year wasn't great for us. A couple of surgeries. I had to go to hospital a couple of times. February to April or August, I would say, wasn't the right period of time. Where I'm still struggling with that leg, but I'm absolutely good. I think 99% I'm all right. I can walk, but I cannot run at this point of time. I know many of you have been asking me what is the current status of my leg, how am I feeling right now. My apologies, I couldn't make a video on that. Since the year didn't go well at the starting, we wanted to complete or finish the year on a very high note, and there are couple of reasons for that. One, my birthday, and our anniversary, our marriage anniversary, the 10th year of marriage anniversary. So there are two reasons why we are going to Rajasthan.
Rajasthan is my dream destination. So I'm very happy that I'm going to Rajasthan after so long years. So I was planning for this trip for long before, but somehow we could not make it. But today I'm really very happy. So let's board the flight and let's go to Jaipur. So our first destination today is Jaipur.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spreading in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And ooh, start feeling hopeless, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. It's funny how easily a life can be torn apart. Why couldn't I simply see that I was sick at heart and I am in deep debt?
So hey guys, we reached our hotel and this is Radisson City Center, Jaipur. There is a washroom. You can keep your bags, luggages here. This is the bedroom. Here you have one desk and one chair, and here you have a couch and one small table, center table. It is pretty good. Room size is pretty good, and here you have a nice balcony, or you can say, oh, it's beautiful. It's beautiful. Actually, I didn't see this. You can see the view from here. Oh, that's a metro.
The climb we did was
Today it's already 7:10 p.m. and we will just head to Bapu Bazaar from here now, and maybe we will have dinner also outside. So we haven't decided where we will have our dinner today, but anyway, let's go and let's check it out outside. We will not talk here much.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, sir. Good evening, for good evening.
We're sitting now in the second floor of Radisson Jaipur City Center, and in front of me, there are two restaurants. There are two restaurants out here. One is the Mazak restaurant they call by the tree, and there is a great great kebab factory. And both the restaurants look very amazing out here. We just visited both of them, and it looks awesome. There is a Chinese restaurant on the top floor which we are going to visit, and then decide which one should we choose. Either the kebab or either the Chinese. Malini loves Chinese, but I'm a little bit hesitant on Chinese. But I do love the kebabs, but I didn't see much kebab in there. So my choice would be, let's see the Chinese one and then decide which one to go. First time I'm seeing a puppet show. I did see it on the TV, but this is my first time I'm sitting live in front of them and seeing the puppet show. This is really awesome. This is the first experience. Though the experience at the start of the Jaipur wasn't that great because of that. There's a strong story behind it, which I'll tell you after I have my dinner. But overall, I'm trying to rejuvenate myself with the different flavors of Rajasthan.
So we came back to our room and we ordered food here in room only. Now the food has arrived, and I will show you the what we have ordered today. This is garlic naan and tandoori roti, masala papad, of course some salad, famous Rajasthani dish called lal mas, brownie with ice cream, of course.
Real, you made me so speechless. I just can't believe it. You broke the coldness somehow.
The dinner was awesome, except the fact that I didn't like much the lal mas which we ordered. Tomorrow it will be a great day. We are traveling to one of the most haunted places in Asia, that's Bhangar Fort. Today was a very hectic day for us, and I really did not get any chance to make any videos after we landed in Jaipur. And there was a huge surprise waiting for us in Jaipur. And when we landed, when the baggages were coming out on the conveyor belt, we got two baggages, and we were waiting for the third bag. Third baggage was very, very important for us because it actually contained the one which I really needed the most, is the drone. And not only the drone, it also had the laptop chargers, it also had the phone chargers, and I was really expecting that I don't lose that bag, because that's very important, not only from the monetary point of view, but also because of the value it contains for my trip here. Now, we were waiting for the bag for eagerly, and everybody started leaving the conveyor belt because they have got their bags. So we were the only person standing near the conveyor belt, and then we realized that our bag never arrived. And then we contacted the staff over there, and then they contacted the Kolkata staff, and then they understood the bag never took off from Kolkata airport. We understood that it contains prohibited items. Now, we were always thinking on that same track mind that it contains the drone. That's why they didn't allow that bag to be boarded in the flight. But later we realized that when I packed my drone, I had the drone, I had the batteries all in together, and it was a combo box together, and I put the combo box in one bag. Bags, you cannot carry batteries in your check-in bag, and that was a huge mistake from me. When we were going through the security in the Kolkata airport, we were carrying this drone in our cabin bag. Then the security told us you cannot carry your drone in your cabin bag. You have to get it moved into the check-in bag. The boarding was supposed to start at 1:30, and I had to literally run because it was like 10 minutes to 1:30, and I had to literally run to the I just crossed security, I had to move out of security, go to the counter again, and then tell them, hey guys, I need to check in another bag which is supposed to be a cabin bag. Now please check in this bag, which actually now contains the drone. Now during this hurry, I forgot to actually remove the battery. The battery was not supposed to be inside the check-in bag. It was supposed to be in the cabin bag. So basically, the drone was supposed to be in the check-in bag. The battery was supposed to be in the cabin bag. It was a huge circus which I had to go through. But unfortunately, I didn't. I missed that. I put the entire combo box, the drone combo box, in the check-in bag, and then I had to pay 2,500 for the extra kgs. Now there are two options: either they remove the battery of the drone and send me the bag to Jaipur, which might take around 24 to 48 hours or even 3 days, and that's not committed. Option 2 is give the bag to someone in Calcutta airport and collect it. Now, I chose option 2. After landing in Jaipur airport, I had to go to shopping malls here. I landed at 5 o'clock in the Jaipur airport. By the time we came out from the airport, it was like 6 p.m. And then we went through each of the malls to find out if I can get that iPhone charger, at least, and then the Mac charger. Good part is that we got the iPhone charger. The Mac charger, we didn't get it from the Imagine stores out here. I'm still waiting from, I just booked it from Amazon.com. Unfortunately, we will not be able to show you the drone shots of Rajasthan this time. This is really very unfortunate. I'm sure without a drone, you still will find our videos absolutely wonderful. Till then, stay tuned, take care. We will be back with a new vlog tomorrow. Till then, take care, good night. Bye bye. Roy's the Wanderers signing off for today.